Let's go on a journey together to see how this full bathroom remodel came together virtually, got its name of the self-cleaning dream machine, and how we landed a very handy general contractor. I will take you along the journey of how this fantasy became a living, breathing reality, with Miss Client being in North Carolina and me being on the West Coast in Southern California. Stay tuned. During this phase, my task was to source design elements and locate general contractors for Miss Client to interview, but no one would agree to service her area. Everyone I spoke with said,
"Sorry, we don't service that area."
But eventually, I finally got a few yeses.
"I could talk to you further about your project."
In order to have a clean, chic, and modern hotel-like experience, you have to have a spa-like shower, right? With that said, I couldn't quite commit to the design of the shower fixture having all rounded hardware or all squared hardware because it's all in the details. The sleek sink faucet that I chose for this design was a cross between the two. It was rounded and squarish, so I went with my designer instincts and
my custom.
In the midst of sourcing and finalizing design details, there was just one last major task to be done in this phase. For this full bathroom remodel with wall-to-wall tiling, or in this case, wall-to-floor tiling, with 5 different tiles including some infamous hexagon tiles, there comes some interesting workarounds. Sourcing tile was a very tedious process, but I loved every second of it because I love what I do. In order for Miss Client to get a true read of color and vibes for her tiles we chose for this project, I worked up some magic with a tile specs list for her to meet with a tile showroom in North Carolina that I located for her. Now Miss Client could actually go, touch, feel, and see some tiles in person at an Innsmouth tile showroom. It's time to do some shopping, virtually that is. So one of the most amazing and magical parts of doing virtual designing is me being able to provide design ideas to my clients from my location, then give them design tools needed to make the design concept come to life at their location, all without the need to meet in person. Now that's cool. I provide a shopping list that is clickable, which makes shopping so easy for the client to shop from the comfort of their own home, via online from the computer, or even a mobile phone. Now, out of all the contractors I found, Miss Client conducted interviews and chose to go with Greg Evans of Innovative Craftsman. Welcome aboard, Greg Evans. Show us what you can do. Wait a minute, did I forget to mention why I call this project the self-cleaning dream machine? Well, this is why. It's pretty awesome, I think. With the help of great customer service from Dominique at one of my favorite showrooms, we were able to locate this wonderful self-cleaning beauty for Miss Client. It's beautiful, sleek, and easy to clean. Special thank you to Greg Evans, Miss Client, and Dominique for making this journey worthwhile. This is one to cherish forever. Thank you for going on this journey with me and allowing us to share what making a fantasy a living, breathing reality really looks like.